Deep in a world steeped in magic and myth, a betrothal between a prince and a princess is arranged. But amidst the dazzling celebrations and merriment, a malevolent presence looms. Now, it's up to one courageous woman to save all she knows. But will she defeat the darkness before it engulfs the land? Follow her journey as she struggles to bring an end to the evil and restore peace and harmony to the realm. In author V.J. Parker's third book of the Twin Realms series, challenges and revelations await. Available online at www.vjparker.net.